Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M. Today we are going to learn how to add signed numbers. This is the second part of this lesson. So the first part is rule number 1. I suggest that you check the link below where I briefly discuss what absolute value of a number is. Now let's go to rule number 2, the key concept. To add numbers having unlike signs, get the difference of their absolute values and prefix the sign of the number with greater absolute value. What do we mean by unlike signs? That means the two numbers that we're adding have different signs. One is a positive and one is a negative. Now it says get the difference. Difference means we need to subtract. I thought we were adding. Yeah, since they have different signs, we need to subtract what? Their absolute values. I'm going to show that to you in a while in a model problem. And then it says prefix the sign of the number with greater absolute value, meaning we need to follow the sign of the numbers that has greater absolute value. Let's see that in a model problem. It says Carlos earned $7 for selling chocolates and bought a book for $4. How much money does Carlos have left? Now, since Carlos earned, that's positive, so he earned $7 and then bought a book for $4. Now, don't get me wrong, buying books is good, but since we're spending money, we consider that as a negative in this particular case. So we're adding this up, okay? So again, the reason why we have parentheses around these two numbers because we want to distinguish the addition symbol from the sign of that number. So this is negative, that's plus, and that's positive. Is that clear? Okay, now let's go back to the rule. It says if they have unlike signs, one is a positive, one is a negative, get the difference of their absolute values. Now, what is the absolute value of positive 7? Positive 7 is right here. And the absolute value is the distance from 0, which is 7. And negative 4 is right here. Its distance from 0 is 4. What do we do with them? Subtract these two numbers because they have different signs. So 7 take away 4, or 7 minus 4, that's 3. And then it says follow the sign of the number with greater absolute value. Since 7 is greater than 4 and 7 is positive, then this is positive 3. Now how do we verify this answer using the number line? So let's start from positive 7. So positive 7 is right there. Now, we're adding negative 4. From here, we're adding, meaning, but it's negative. So we're going to step down four steps, or 4 spaces. Let's do that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it ends up positive 3. And that is our answer here. Now, what is the meaning of this number in the context of the problem? So Carlos still have $3. Carlos has $3 left. Now let's complete this second problem. Dave receives $3 from his mom to buy a shirt worth $8. Does Dave have enough money to buy the shirt? Justify your answer. When they say justify, meaning we need to show work and explain a bit further. Now, since Dave receives $3, so receive means it's positive. Let's put that inside the parentheses. But he wants to buy a shirt worth $8. So when you're buying, you're spending, that's $8. Again, we need to put that inside the parentheses and then add this up. Again, we want to distinguish the plus sign, the addition sign, from a negative sign or a positive sign. Now going back to the rule, to add numbers having unlike signs, one is a negative, one is a positive, get the difference of their absolute values. What is the absolute value of 3? A positive 3, that's 3. And negative 8 from 0, that's 8. Subtract them, 8 take away 3, or 8 minus 3, that's 5. And then it says here, prefix the sign of the number with greater absolute value. 8 is greater than 3, and 8 is negative. So therefore, our final answer would be negative as well. Now, how do you verify that using the number line? So from positive 3, let's begin with positive 3. It's right here. And then you're adding negative 8, meaning you're going to step down 8 spaces. Let's count. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we end up on negative 5, which is our final answer. Now, what is the meaning of this number in the context of the problem? Does Dave have enough money to buy the shirt? I don't think so, because it's negative. That means Dave needs $5 more to buy the shirt. There you go. Now, as we all know, practice is the secret of math. So I want you to solve these problems, but make sure you pause your video while you're doing it. Once you're done, continue watching so that you can check your answers. Cool? Alright, if you got all these answers correct, then you're good to go. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Please take care of yourself and others.